assume that these homeowners have benefited from really reduced power bills.
Yeah, certainly. With each client that we look at for solar, we always look at their power that they're using prior to solar. First place we look at the power bills, then better understanding how they use their power, and that's how we determine what size system to install to make sure they get the best return on investment and maximise the savings. So sometimes that might be covering the roof completely with panels, and sometimes not so much. It just depends on each customer, so that's what we focus on.
And I'm assuming these solar panels work only as well as, you know, the homeowners are using their power. I have a really bad habit of running my washing machine at night.
Yeah.
Despite knowing better. So do you guys give the homeowners some advice on best times to use their product?
Yeah, so that's through the whole process. So we don't want their lifestyle to change too much, but where possible, where washing machines can be used during the daytime and dishwashing, that sort of thing, and even aircon, you know. So I advise customers, aircon's on a timer. Sometimes it's better to put the aircon on during the day when you're not home, to walk into your home to a cool home and then turn it off, rather than walking into a really hot home cranking the aircon when the sun's there.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense.